Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
Start by assembling precise ingredients. Use 10 egg yolks, 1 300 ml can condensed milk, and 1 370 ml can evaporated milk for a classic batch. Measure 1/2 cup sugar to make the caramel. Melt over medium heat until deep amber. Watch closely to avoid burning, then pour into the flan mold and tilt to coat the base and sides. In a separate bowl, add 1 teaspoon vanilla and a pinch of salt to the eggs to balance sweetness before combining everything gently. Whisk the egg yolks gently with a fork or whisk. Avoid foam by not overbeating because air creates holes and ruins the silky texture. Combine eggs with the condensed and evaporated milks, then strain the custard through a fine sieve into the caramel-lined mold to remove bubbles and any chalaza bits for an ultra-smooth finish. Cover the mold with foil and bake in a bain-marie at 350 degrees F, 175 degrees C, for 45 to 55 minutes until the center. After baking, cool the flan to room temperature on a wire rack to prevent condensation, then refrigerate at least 4 hours or overnight for the best silky, set texture. To unmold, run a thin knife around the mold edges, quickly invert onto a serving plate, and let the warm caramel flow over the custard to create a glossy top. Any stubborn edges release with a gentle tap. Store leftovers covered in the fridge for up to 3 days and serve chilled, optionally garnished with a little citrus zest or macapuno.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.